Hi, this is Dr. Don. I want to take a couple of minutes and go over one of the tasks in the Module 2 assignment that I've had a number of students ask about. Now, I posted some example images, but I thought maybe if I made a little video, I could show you some variations and give you some ideas on how to make this Task 2 index table of content. Okay, this one I would call a bare minimum. They've created an index tab, and if you look at this, you can see that each of the various major tasks have a tab. Okay, and then this particular table of contents just takes you to that tab, and it doesn't really give you everything you need. This one at least got me in the right part of this particular big spreadsheet. So I would grade this one as minimally okay, but depending upon how the person frames when you click on each of these worksheets, may or may not make your boss happy. Remember, the scenario I want you to put in mind is you're working as a business analyst for a company. Your boss has asked you to make this assignment, to do this assignment that his boss wants to get this information. So think of it that way. You need to turn in something that makes it easy for your boss's boss to find what they want so that you get a nice raise this year. Okay, so this is minimal. Let's look at another example here. This one is probably the other extreme. We can see here we've got a very complex table of contents and index, if you want to call it that. And the student has put each subtask on a separate worksheet. Now that's a lot of work, but it does make it, fairly easy to, for your boss to find, your boss's boss to find what they want. So this would be ideal, and if you have time to do that, that's great. The little extra video I posted shows you how to make these index points take you to exactly where you want to go. So this is the other extreme. Give you an A++ on that. This is kind of a middle ground. The student has given us a lot of detail here on each of the tasks and subtasks, but they've just used the original worksheets. And then when you click on the index, it, I think, takes you to that specific point in the worksheet. So this is pretty good, pretty good example. Let's look at one more. And this one is has a basic index here, and they've got one worksheet for each of the data. That's the original worksheets. And let's see how it goes here. I'm going to link this one, and it takes me here. I know what I wanted to show you here. Look up here at the top. Now, in our workbook, we had given you this baby menu up here, and this student has taken it on. There's a link to the summary and a link to the failure analysis chart. Submenus. This is pretty nice. So this is something you can think about. If I go here to this one, same thing there. We've got a submenu on here that'll take you to more specific information. So this is a good example. So I hope this gives you some ideas of the range of things you can do, and I hope it helps.